As we adjust to a new normal during the COVID-19 pandemic, it seems some are not quite ready to make their way back to the doctor's office. Samir Nefsi joins us live now at UPMC Hamot tonight with much more on this. Samir?
Sean, good evening to you. That is right. You know, since the COVID-19 pandemic started, telemedicine has really soared, but of course that is not a permanent fix. Doctors are saying if you have a condition that needs to seek attention, you should schedule an in-person appointment. Dr. Michael Miller, a urologist for UPMC Hamot, says his office is starting to book appointments back at full speed, going from half booked to now fully seeing about 30 patients per day. However, the ongoing pandemic is creating a challenge.
We have patients that are quite fearful of any kind of exposure.
The routine for a traditional appointment has changed since the pandemic started. Outside of wearing a face mask, patients can now call from their car, and when the doctor is ready to see them, they can walk in bypassing the waiting room. Dr. Miller says canceling an appointment with your physician could ultimately lead to a worsening of your condition.
We've seen some people that have said, you know what, it's just not safe, I won't do this. And we have seen some people have waited too long and they end up in the hospital.
Dennis King says with the ongoing pandemic, he was reluctant to cancel his appointments, so he turned to telemedicine.
No, I joined the patient portal, and that was a godsend. Direct communication with all my doctors, and I have a lot of them.
When it came to an in-person doctor's appointment, King saying he was ready to go in.
Sometimes, you know, if you have a little list of things you wanted to ask, you might forget. And it's good to be right there with the doctor. The doctor and the nurse, they can ask you the questions that they need to know.
And UPMC hospitals are allowing inpatients who did not test positive for COVID-19, as well as here at the emergency department, they're allowing one support person to go with you inside. Now, that is a change since the COVID-19 pandemic began just over 2 months ago. Sean?
Samir Nefsi live outside UPMC Hamot tonight. Thank you, Samir.